What time do you wake up every day? I wake up at 6 in the morning. Why do you wake up so early? I like the peaceful morning environment. Do you set an alarm? Yes, I set an alarm on my phone. What if the alarm doesn't ring? Then I wake up late. What do you do first after waking up? I drink water first. How much water do you drink? About one glass. Do you exercise? Yes, I do light exercise. For how long? About 15 minutes. Do you go for running too? Sometimes I go to the park. What do you do next? I go to take a bath. Do you bath with cold water? Yes, in summer, not in winter. What do you do after bathing? I have breakfast. What is your favorite breakfast? I like paratha and tea. Do you drink tea every day? Yes, my day doesn't start without a tea. What do you do after breakfast? I prepare for work. Do you work from home or go outside? I go to the office. What time do you leave? Around 8 o'clock. Is there traffic on the way? Yes, sometimes very heavy. How do you avoid traffic? I leave early. What do you do? What do you do after reaching office? I switch on my computer first. Do you plan for your work? Yes, I make a to-do list. Do you find it easy to work in the morning? Yes, the mind feels fresh in the morning. Do you stay awake late night? No, I sleep early. What time do you sleep? Around 10 o'clock. What benefit do you get from this? It helps me wake up early. It seems your routine is very good. Yes, good habits make life easier. Don't you ever feel lazy? Yes, but I motivate myself. How do you motivate yourself? I think about my goals. Do you have any big goals? Yes, I want to grow in my career. Does your morning routine help in that? Yes, it makes me disciplined. Why is discipline important? Because success is difficult without discipline. Do you use your phone in the morning? No, I don't check my phone immediately. Why don't you check it? Because it wastes time. That's a good habit. Yes, I keep the morning time for myself. Do you study in the morning too? Yes, sometimes I read a book. What kind of book do you read? I like motivational books. Thank you. Your words inspired me. Remember, good habits truly make life easier.